this Thanksgrilling series. It's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey, holiday lovers, I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad. Are you looking to spice up your holiday party this year? Well, look no further than our delicious caramel apple spice shots. Let's get to it. The fun part about this recipe, I feel like, is you actually turn an apple into a shot glass. So we're going to show you how to do that. We'll just take the top right on off. Okay, we'll take our spoon and we will go along the edge, making sure not to penetrate the skin. Take our handy dandy shaker. We'll get ourselves some ice. So we're going to add equal parts cinnamon whiskey, apple cider, and then a half a part Durty Gurl Sour mix. Take the top off just like that. Take our 2 shot glasses. And there you go. Delicious apple shots in tiny little apples. Who wouldn't be impressed? Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and recipes to help you knock your holiday parties out of the park.